Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add quantity option in Shopify. So simply in order to do this we have to go to customize theme. So just click here and after that wait for a few seconds. Now here click on customize. Now we will move to next page. So just wait here. Now here go in search bar and go to products. Simply after that here select the sign project products and here you will find on the top side there is a quantity option. Here you can see. So now quantity option is available, so you can also edit it according to your choice. So finally you have got to know that how easily you can enable the quantity option in Shopify.